Hi everyone, Steve here with Droid Africa, and this is my unboxing and quick review of the Samsung Galaxy A3 Core. The device is housed in a very cheap and very fragile paper box. Inside the box, there is the Galaxy A3 Core, a 5V 0.7A charger, a pair of wired earpiece, SIM ejector, and some paperwork. No pre-applied or post-applied screen guard, and there is no TPU case. This device is currently one of the most affordable smartphones from Samsung released in 2020. The Galaxy A3 Core actually has same specifications and features with the Galaxy A01 Core and the M01 Core released in other markets. As at the review, the Galaxy A3 Core costs 32,000 Naira in Nigeria, which is around $80. At this price, you are getting a 5.3 inches display with an impressive 720 by 1480 pixels resolution, resulting in a fairly high 311 pixels per inch. The screen is PLS TFT panel, which is Samsung's version of IPS. Text and icon on the screen are sharp even when held up to minimum viewing distance. To add to that, the display has an outdoor mode, which when turned on pushes the brightness beyond standard maximum to allow for more comfortable use under direct sunlight. As for the build quality, the Galaxy A3 Core comes in a plastic body with a striped textured panel at the back. The power button and volume rocker are here on the right hand side. The card tray on the left hand side can carry dual nano SIM and a 64GB micro SD card. While the top of the phone is bare, the basement gets a little busier with a 3.5mm audio jack, microphone receiver, micro USB 2.0 port, and a loudspeaker grill. At the back, there is a single 8MP main camera, a single LED flash, and Samsung branding. So I tried out this 8MP main lens, but the picture output did not measure up. Even under broad daylight, the device could not pass my sharpness test, which even gets worse when you snap indoors. Although one thing I like about the rear and front camera on this device is the fact that both lenses can record videos at 720p and 1080p resolution. But still, I won't count on the Galaxy A3 Core for any major camera need. In all, the device feels very portable and compact in the hand. It has a rounded edges towards the back, which further helps grip, but it could be more lighter in weight considering the specs on the inside. Talking about the specs on the inside, the Galaxy A3 Core comes with a quad-core MediaTek MT6739 CPU clocked at 1.5 GHz, along with PowerVR GE8100 GPU, 1GB of RAM, and 16GB internal storage. The CPU is already 3 years old, and personally I would have preferred Helio A20 series for better performance sake, but on a bright side, the CPU still offers 4G LTE network, and it is well optimized as well thanks to the presence of Android Go edition. And even though the device has just 1GB of RAM, it still runs fairly smooth so long as you don't wander too far from the bundled Go and Go related apps. You notice the weight of Google Chrome browser on the CPU the moment you start browsing heavy website, which was why I downloaded Opera Mini immediately for better and faster browsing, and I think anyone who owns this device should do the same. Actually, there are 3 things I like about the OS on this device. First, it comes with parental control features, which makes the A3 Core suitable for children. All you need to do is go to settings and there you determine who the device is meant for under parental controls. Secondly, the OS supports over-the-air updates, and even though I am not sure if it will eventually bring in Android 11 update, it still does supply security patches and optimization updates. At least I have updated once. And thirdly, the OS can automatically turn off some background networks such as Bluetooth location and hotspots when they are not in use, which further helps save the device battery life. Talking about battery, the A3 Core comes with a 3000 mAh battery. I was not expecting marathon performance from this number, but thankfully the device did not shut down on me unexpectedly. To be sincere, the battery even lasts more than my expectation. I use the device majorly for playing music, answering calls and receiving mails. And most of the times when I will check with the intention to refill the battery power, I will end up not charging it because there is still a notable level of juice remaining. And you can even squeeze few more hours of use at 15% thanks to the built-in aggressive power saving mode. But I wish Samsung had included a 2A or even a 1.2A charger to aid quicker charging instead of the bundled 0.7A charger. Now, who is this device meant for? The Galaxy A3 Core will be right for you if you are getting it as a portable secondary smartphone, or as a school smartphone for your children, or probably for those starting out with Android. So basically this is all you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy A3 Core. So if you like this video, please give it a thumb up, and if you really like it, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll catch you up in the next one.